This is traffic ticket defense attorney Michael Beer. So I'm often asked, where does my traffic court hearing take place in New York City? So if those who don't know, there are 8 traffic courts in New York City. There's one in the Bronx on East Fordham Road, 2 in Brooklyn, 1 on Atlantic Center Mall, and 1 in Coney Island on West 8th Street. There's 2 in Manhattan, including the recently moved location at 5 West 125th Street and 17 Battery Place in downtown Manhattan. There were 2 in Queens, 1 at 3056 Whitestone Expressway and 1 on Rockaway Boulevard behind the airport. And there's 1 in Staten Island on 1775 South Avenue in Staten Island. But what does this all mean? Well, tickets are generally assigned by the location where the officer works, generally. So if you get a ticket, say, for example, in Coney Island, you would be assigned to the Coney Island Traffic Court. If you get a ticket in Harlem, you would likely be assigned to the Traffic Court in Harlem. There are certain specialized commands in New York City, for example, Highway Patrol, that only attend basically one court. So, for example, any Highway Patrol tickets issued in Brooklyn would go to the Brooklyn South location. Any Highway Patrol tickets issued in Manhattan would go to the Manhattan North location. Any Highway Patrol tickets issued in Queens would go to the Queens North location. If, say, you get a ticket from TBTA police officer, Tri-Borough Emergent Tunnel Authority, that would go to the Brooklyn North location in Brooklyn, the Queens South location in Queens, the Manhattan South location in Manhattan, because of those multiple courts in those boroughs. So just because you got a ticket in a particular area of the city does not mean it's going to end up there. Likewise, tickets issued by state troopers, they only attend 3 courts. They attend court in the Bronx, they attend court in Staten Island, they attend court in Queens. So just because you got your ticket in Brooklyn or the Bronx doesn't mean it's going to end up there. So you have to be very careful to watch the information you get from the Department of Motor Vehicles as to the location of your trial. If you have any questions about tickets, New York City traffic tickets, Long Island, or Westchester, contact the office of Michael Beer.